Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always me, Rough Virus, and behind me we have our test car. If you follow us long enough, you know that on this vehicle, on this Skoda, we have 5 different paint protection film brands, and main reason for that, to pick and choose the best paint protection film product for our own customers. This vehicle, different panels wrapped with different product, but on the roof we have all of them side by side, 5 different products. As well, we applied ceramic coating on one side of the roof just to see if ceramic coating can affect PPF. Ceramic coating was made for PPF, it's not a 9H or 10H, this product was made for PPF, and we have 2 different ceramic coating products. On one side one product, on the other side another product. So it was very interesting to see that paint protection film product which have hydrophobic effect attracts dust quicker and fails faster. Yeah, that's funny. Ceramic coating hydrophobic effect on these products disappears from 3 till 9 months, max 12 months. So yeah, no hydrophobic effect on any of them. On non-hydrophobic products, we still have a really good result. Some of them are not so glossy as other products. It is very sad that you cannot see that on the camera. For example, this product is more shiny and more glossy comparing to this product, but at least it's not failing like this one. You can see how extra ceramic coating damaged the PPF. It starts to fade way more faster, but as well, natural product with hydrophobic coating fails and attracts dust very fast. You can see that. It looks way worse than this product. Here we have our Just the Bluff Platinum product, which we use most of the time, but this video is not made to blame other brands for failing. This video is made to show you that you need to choose the right paint protection film for yourself, for your customers, for your environment. Because if some products can perform very well in Dubai, but they can fail in Alaska. So if you want to choose the right product, do your own test. So far from my tests all around the world, because my friends do the same tests, and in Estonia, Australia, Dubai, Italy, Luxembourg, and they picking the right product for them. And so far, Just the Bluff Platinum product looks and works the best, performs the best. So going further, we have 2 doors. I hope you can see on the camera that both of them look different. Front door, still okay. They're dirty, but they're not faded. They look deep, black, it's okay. Rear doors start to fade. Looks really bad. It even looks like a bit purple. So after we're gonna wash the car and we're gonna show you how it looks when it's clean, because I left it dirty for the reason to show everything on the camera, because on the camera it's very difficult to pick all these failures, like fading things, because in real life you can see, but on the camera it's very difficult to catch. As well, on this rear quarter we have very interesting stuff. This quarter panel was wrapped like 18 months ago, but it was already failing after 1 year, so we decided to polish square right here like 8 months ago. And you can see that you can restore and you can save failing product for a bit, but it doesn't look very well after 8 months already, comparing to the product which looks really good after 18 months. Because this product, Just the Bluff Platinum, on this boot still looks like new after 18 months comparing to this product. And when we polished, we got kind of refreshing, restored result, like looks okay again, but it's failing already. I can see that it starts to fade. I know this test is done in Lithuania, not in Australia or Dubai, but if it's gonna be done in these kind of countries, probably gonna see like in 3-4 months the same result what we can see here after 1 year, 18 months. So now let's move this car to our car wash bay, wash it, and then we're gonna check more. Let's go. Okay, car is washed. As well, we polished the parts which were faded, because this square on this panel looked really bad, and my dad was a bit upset that his car looks like a test car. So talking about this test, yes, we polished panels, they look way better, but on the camera probably you don't see, they still a bit faded comparing to other panels which were wrapped in high quality paint protection film. But it is very difficult to see now after polishing them. So we added extra, probably half a year of life on this film, and probably that we will need to remove it, because after polishing paint protection film, PPF will start to fail very fast. So as well, interesting fact, now if I will use surface cleaner on this panel, it starts to drag, it doesn't slide same as on other. Oh, it slides. You can wipe, no problem, but on this one it starts to drag. So I think because now it's more sticky, it will become dirty way quicker comparing to other panels. So talking about our roof, you still can see that some PPF products are a bit more faded. As well, same situation if I will use surface cleaner. On some products it doesn't slide so well and it starts to drag, but on other it works perfect, same like on the paint. Interesting that here's the two different brands, two different products. They performed after 18 months, very similar, but main difference between them, this one have heavy orange peel. Another fact, we used to work with this product for almost 7 years. Main difference between them, this one have heavy orange peel and this one is very clear. Looks really good, but performance wise doesn't fade each of them, but finish, this one have way better finish. This one is just the Bluff Platinum, which we use for last 3 years for almost every single car. And another two products, third one is on the other side. I don't even want to talk too much, they are fading, and they do not perform very well. In conclusion, I don't want to blame any brand. Your installer, you need to choose right product for yourself, and to pick the right product you need to do your own test, because like this test I do every single year just to be sure that I'm using the best product for my environment, for my country, because world is big, and if product works in Australia, maybe not gonna work in Alaska, but in general best quality product should work all around the world. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful for you. Please leave a comment below if you would like to see more videos like that, or maybe you have some suggestions for the videos. Thank you for watching. With you was me, Graph Virus, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.